Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a microSD card at the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. By the way, this works also for the regular S9 and the S9 Plus. Okay, first of all, we will need next to the tablet the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. And here's been the tablet in before, and in that box we will find another two boxes. You have to remove the big one first. It has the cable here inside, and then you can have the other one. And on the back of the small one you will find the SIM ejection tool. Otherwise, by the way, you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, the SIM slot is here on top of the tablet. By the way, the top is where the buttons are. So on the opposite here of this side we will find the SIM tray. And the SIM tray has a small hole in here. And now we will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip to enter this hole. Press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, the SIM tray has two sides, so the one on top you can insert a SIM card if you want. If you're having the Wi-Fi version like me, you have this black plate here in it. And on the other side of the SIM tray, we will have here the chance to insert our microSD card. Okay, so take your microSD card and insert it well. You will hear a little click noise if it's well inserted. And this is how it should look like then. So as you can see, the contacts are on top. Okay, and after we have to insert the SIM card in the SIM slot, close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And maybe until next time. Ciao.